Hello guys, welcome to Future IT Vision. Today I will be show you how to install Appium with command line. Why do you need command line? I mean, as a QA, you should know both way the UI and command line. So command line is the most popular. You can see the total log and really what's happening. You can find out easily. So my whole video will be show show to how to run the test with command line. I mean, UI already show you how to download. If you want to use the UI, you can use it. But my video will be show you how to use the command line, Appium command line. So now for Appium command line, guys, I'm going to show you exactly what you need. Just follow the command step by steps, and let's go and see what's happening now. So over here, my video I showing the how to install the Appium with command line. So just open a terminal and write this command. This command basically what this basic this command basically to you have to install the homebrew. If you have homebrew, you don't have to install, but you can try it. If you have it, they don't install for you. So I mean, without homebrew, we cannot install the Appium server. So let's do it to homebrew. So opening terminal, and I just copy and just gonna paste it. And this code, whatever command line code, the command I will provide in the YouTube comment section. You can always collect from there. So if I say enter, so there, okay, and I can ask you my computer password. So look like homebrew installing. Cool. Installation successful. What is the next part? Go to the next part. Then write down this command brew install wget. Basically, it will be whatever you download, it will be installed. I think I have it. Yes, already installed and up to date. So if you don't have it, this command will be work for you. My one up to date, so I don't know it. So they're showing the command that's your wget 1.9.5, which is the Appium, is already installed. That's good. Go to the next command. Follow the I just gave this document for you guys. So easy to teach and easy to actually, this is quick to understand. So these two commands will be installed in your Mac. Install Appium server command line below. So just copy this brew install node. This will be actually install the JS node. I already have it. Good, guys. If you guys don't have it, just use it. It's gonna update for you. So next command, npm install gapm. So now we're gonna install the Appium. Is installing. I had before. I mean, just for you guys, I'm showing the video, so that's why I'm doing one more time. It's nothing bad with that. It will be uploaded. Okay, look like it's done. So next video, next part, you need to npm install wd. Okay, look like I'm done, guys. Now I'm gonna open my Appium. Appium install done with a command line. So now we're gonna open. There is a command. You just use it Appium and space and. So basically, it will be open in with command line your Appium. So I'm gonna show you. If you enter it. So you see here, welcome Appium 1.81 and Appium REST HTTP interface listener 0004723. My last video I show you when you was opening, they are showing same console, same result. Over here showing that. So guys, That's it for today. We know now how to install the homebrew. After homebrew, install the node.js and Appium through command line, and our whole session will be in our course will be walked through with command line. So please install it and also following step by steps. Also, you guys also beside also in command line you can use also desktop Appium. There's nothing nothing wrong with that. I prefer with command line, that's why I'm showing you guys. So next video I'll be show you how to write a desired capabilities, open a iOS app with desired capabilities. And also guys, if you like my video, please keep tuning and feel free to like button, press the like button and comment it. If you have any question, any problem, any wrong, any error, just comment it and I will be trying to resolve this issue as soon as possible and give some feedback to you guys. Thank you so much for today and see you soon for next video.